Hello guys, this is Rob again. Thanks for joining me for another unboxing video. Like I said on my previous video, we are now taking a look at the Cardo Freecom 1 Plus. Now, let me just tell you about this. When I ordered this, it was the Freecom 1 when I ordered it in the shop. And I didn't realise there was a Freecom 1 Plus, so they sent me the Freecom 1 Plus. There must be a new edition because the Freecom 1 is different from this one, obviously, because this is the Plus. And the only difference to this one was you now get the passenger and rider intercom. So basically you can talk to a pillion. With the Freecom 1 in the shop, which they was talking to me about, it doesn't do that. It's just a sat nav and music intercom. Bluetooth, so that's quite a nice feature. So now I think the Freecom 1s, they come as Plus now, so I think they've just got rid of the Freecom 1 and just added the new feature, which is nice, and it's the same price. I think it's around about 120, something like that. But anyway, this is another unboxing. I've not opened this yet. I've got to attach it. I'll just quickly do an unboxing and then attach it to my helmet, which that won't be on here, but this unboxing will. As you can see, there's the instructions on the back. Okay, the box, and that's the front. Right, so let's take that off. And this is the box. Let's just put that there. So just slide it open. Okay, that's quite nice. Nice little picture, and obviously the Freecom here. When I looked at this at the shop, it was really light. And look how thin that is. That's just madness. And there's nothing there. It don't feel like nothing. But that's tiny. That's really thin. I'll put it up against the helmet and you can see how thin it is. But that's that. Obviously in the box you get sticker, pocket guide, probably another pocket guide in different languages, purchase thank you, warranty, and obviously the instructions. So that's that. Okay, open this one up. Okay, there's nothing in there. So plenty of things in there. Let's move that back a bit, as you can see. Sorry about the camera angles. I haven't got used to this. This is my third video on YouTube. Let me just take out all the gubbins. Okay, so what do we get? We get alcohol wipe, so to clean the helmet when you stick it on. A USB charger. You get your boom mic. The arrow suggests that's where you have the microphone pointing at your mouth, so you're this way. What else we got? We got the holster where the device actually fits in. Now, the device actually fits in this way, and yeah, like that, and then clicks in like that. So you got the release tab there. Some people said they don't like that, but we'll give it a go. Like I say, this is only unboxing. I'll have to do a review sometime. But yeah, there it is. That's the clip that goes on your helmet, of course, and then your cables, and then you have your, what do you call it, Velcro straps or Velcro bits what go inside your helmet. Speakers, quite nice, quite heavy actually. Yeah, heavy speakers, obviously well made. The optional strap connector with the sticky tape. Obviously this slides off because it has the connector, so that comes off, and then you just slide that back on there so you can get that connected. And then all your Velcro straps and bits and bobs for your boom mic, and like a what do you call it, a holder for the cable, just in case it's too long. Okay, so that's that really. It's just a quick unboxing. What else can I say about it? It's meant to be thinner, apparently. That's what I read on there. It's meant to be thinner, and on there as well, there is a IP67 waterproof, so it is waterproof. And basically, that is it. I will do a review of this, Bluetooth, just to see how good it is. Let me just quickly get my helmet. So basically, you've seen the review on my helmet, and it probably just go there, and that's so tiny. That is really tiny, really tiny. So yeah, I'll do a review and see how long it lasts for. Really. So I'll give it a good charge and put it on the helmet, get it going, see how long it lasts, see how long the music lasts, see how long the talk time is. It's probably all on the website, but I just want to gauge it for myself to see how good it is, because I've had a cheap one in the past, so this one is an upgrade to the new helmet I bought. So I thought I'll just buy something decent, and it does look decent. It's very nice indeed. So yeah, do the review of it, and like I say, I think it's around about 120 or quid. This is the Freecom one. You can obviously get I don't really understand, because the Freecom 2 is the one which connects to the pillion, so I don't know what's different about that. And then obviously the Freecom 3 or 4, whatever it is, does the riders, so when you go out for a ride you can all link up and talk. So, but I only wanted the connect to the phone for the music, and obviously for navigation. But apart from that, it's, like I say, it's well made. It's nicely boxed up. You can tell it's quality stuff. Like I say, these speakers are really heavy. They've got some weight to them. If you could give me a like on this video, and any comments, any suggestions for the videos. Like I say, I'm just starting out new on this, and if you like these videos, I'll try and put on much more, and try and get some more stuff. And also, like, if there's anything you want me to look at, really, I might be able to accommodate. I am going to do an unboxing on a tank bag soon as well, which I've just got in, which a Givey tank bag that goes on my bike, and obviously the holster as well. So yeah, give me a thumbs up. I hope you liked the video, and I will see you soon. Take care, all the best, and safe riding. Bye bye.